We'll be discussing about Monday for workflows. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here, and you can search for Monday. It is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific location or multiple sub accounts. So we will be continuing with that. Allow and install. Yeah, it's successfully installed. Yeah. So here we are. As you can see, it is installed. Now we will be moving forward towards our location on which we have installed. Here we are on the location now, and down below in the navigation bar you can see, like, if you have installed it, you will be seeing it here. Now we have to just enter the API key. For that reason, we will be setting up our account for Monday, and we will be finding the API key. Just a moment. Yeah, we are here. My access tokens, and it is the API key. Copy that to the platform, and we will be pasting it here. Submit. Successfully integrate. Create workflow. Start from scratch. Here we are in the builder now, and we have to create a new action to just test that we have correctly integrated the Monday for workflows. Find for Monday. Here it is. Let's just create a new folder. Create some notes with that. Add custom values. Create folder and a folder ID. Add some text and save it. Now we will be saving the whole and testing our workflows. Run test, head towards the execution logs. As you can see, it is successfully executed. It is simple and easy. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.